Hello everyone, it's Orek. Today I'll talk about getting started with game development. For game development, you will need three kinds of software: a game engine, a art and animation tool, and audio designing tool. But first, you have to decide what kind of game you want to make: 2D or 3D. For 2D, there are two game engines I would prefer: the Unity and Godot. But actually, there are two game engines I prefer for 2D or 3D, that is Unreal Engine and Unity. Unreal Engine is a powerful game engine. It has high quality tools, and if you want to make a 3D game with powerful graphics, with high-end graphics, then you should choose in Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is developed by Epic Games, the maker of Fortnite. Unreal Engine also partner with Quixel. Quixel is a company who is make texture and 3D model for game. There are Unreal Engine is free, but if your game reaches $3,000 revenue, then you will after that you will have to give Epic Games 5% of your total revenue. But for starter, I would prefer Unity. You will find Unity tutorials everywhere. In YouTube, there are much more Unity tutorials than Unreal Engine tutorial. And Unity has two type of license. There are there is individual license and business license. Individual license are free, but the restriction for individual license is that in a year your games cannot make more than 100k. And even if your games make 100k, then you can buy the plus or pro license. After Unreal Engine, Unity is the second most powerful engine. It has powerful 3D and 2D, but Unreal Engine doesn't have a powerful 2D engine. So if you want to make first 2D games, then move to 3D, then I would prefer Unity. And although Unity is better to get started with game development, there is a virtual reality games with actual physics, Bonework VR, developed by Stress Level Zero. It's really a virtual reality game that takes the graphics to the next level. So overall, I would prefer Unity. After choosing a game engine, next you need to choose animation and art tool. If you want to create a 2D game, then SR Sprite is the tool you need, but it's not free. You need to buy it. It's for $15. And if you want to create a 3D game, there are two tools, but I would prefer there is one that can do all. That is Blender. You can 3D model and animate by using this tool. And for sound and audio design, be there's this tool called BFXI. It's free, but the thing is that you can make simple audio like some for 2D games. For 3D, I would choose LMMS.